Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Thanks so much for the support and also for subscribing to this channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my simple chicken pie recipe. So I have 8 cups of all-purpose flour. I have about 700 grams of margarine, some grated carrots, 2 chopped onions, black pepper, nutmeg, and my complete seasoning. I have my chicken breast, which I've cut into smaller sizes, some baking powder, cloves of garlic. I have 2 cloves which I have chopped, some salt and stock cube, my scallions, and some vegetable oil. So to begin with, in my heated pan, I'll add in some oil, and then add in my chicken. Into that, I'll add in my garlic and give it a good stir. So add in my cube, my black pepper, complete seasoning, and some salt, some anise seed, also add some curry powder. We'll then add my grated carrot. We'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. So I've put off the fire. So I'll finally add my scallions and let it cool as I prep my flour. So we'll add in my flour, baking powder, my salt, and nutmeg. I will mix everything together. We'll then add in my margarine and rub everything together. So this is how our dough is looking. So we'd like to sprinkle a little water to bind it very well. So this is my preferred texture that I'm going in for. So we'll let it rest about 30 minutes and then bake. So it's been about 30 minutes and I'm going to spread the dough and then shape it. So this is the thickness that I am going for. So with my pie cutter, I'm going to cut the pie. You can use any shape that you have at home. So I've cut my pies already, so I'm going to fill them out and seal the ends. But we'll make my egg wash I'm using 1 egg and some evaporated milk. We'll then mix them together and then add in my filling. So I will seal the ends with my fingertips. You can also use your fork, it's also allowed. So I'm going to repeat this process till I'm done with all the pies. So I'm done with my pies. I'm going to pinch them with my fork. So brush them with my egg wash. And then they are going straight to my oven. I've preheated my oven. So our chicken pie is all done. It's looking great and it tastes so amazing. Very flaky too. Enjoy it with some hot chocolate. Try it and leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.